If you thought you'd seen it all with custom Mercedes G-Wagens, think again. Mansory, known worldwide for turning already outrageous vehicles into full-blown rolling statements, has just unveiled its latest masterpiece. And this time, the wild creation comes with an artistic twist, thanks to a bold collaboration with iconic street artist Alec Monopoly. This build starts with Mansory's already rare G-Class Speranza, a four-door convertible version of the Mercedes G-Wagen, limited to just 10 units worldwide. That's already exclusive, but what sets this particular one apart is how far over the top the design goes. Meet the Art Piece AL3C MONO907Y, a high-octane blend of raw performance and explosive street art. Let's start with the body. As you'd expect from Mansory, the entire exterior is bathed in forged carbon fiber. Hood, front bumper, grille, fenders, all dripping in the stuff. But it doesn't stop there. Alec Monopoly's unique artistic style covers the vehicle with bold, colorful Monopoly board game elements. From dollar signs and graffiti tags to pop art-style symbols, this G-Wagen looks like it just drove through a neon-soaked canvas in downtown LA. Every inch screams personality, from the bright colors splashed across the doors and quarter panels to the custom spare wheel cover that deserves its own place in a gallery. It's loud, it's proud, and it's unlike anything else on the road. Step inside, and the madness continues. The cabin is upholstered in vivid turquoise leather with crisp white piping. But Mansory didn't stop at a single color scheme. Seatbelts come mismatched in green, aqua, yellow, and purple. Custom-painted air vents, intricate carbon fiber pedals, and original Alec Monopoly artworks scattered throughout the cabin give this interior an unapologetically party-like energy. Despite the loud appearance, Mansory's attention to detail is unmistakable. From leather cushions to carbon fiber trim throughout, the interior is as luxurious as it is unorthodox. This isn't just an art car, it's a performance powerhouse. Under the hood lies Mansory's P820 performance package, taking the Mercedes-AMG G63 twin-turbo V8 and injecting it with steroids. Thanks to new turbochargers, a reworked exhaust system, upgraded downpipes, and a tuned air intake, this beast now produces a jaw-dropping 820 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. That power launches this G-Class from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds. Yes, a four-door convertible SUV that looks like a cartoon can out-accelerate many supercars. It's absurd, it's excessive, and yet it's pure Mansory. This creation proves one thing. When it comes to making extreme luxury vehicles, Mansory owns the monopoly. Pun absolutely intended. From fighter jet-styled Lamborghinis to carbon-clad Rolls-Royces, Mansory has done it all. But this G-Wagen, drenched in high art and high performance, might be its wildest creation yet. In a world where automakers and tuners are increasingly leaning towards subtlety and sustainability, Mansory and Alec Monopoly throw caution and convention out the window. The Art Piece AL3C MONO907Y isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, a mobile art gallery, and a statement of fearless individuality. So whether you love it or hate it, one thing's for sure, this G-Wagen will turn heads wherever it goes. And that's exactly the point.